Now picture this, you just spent the last week cramming out a new video. The video has a great hook, the music is awesome, the pacing is perfect,
and the memes are oh so spicy.
You upload it to YouTube and nobody clicks on it because the thumbnail is garbage. As a YouTuber, especially a smaller YouTuber, I've realized the hard way that the title thumbnail combo is the most important part of the video. So I made this playlist to help other small creators like myself make the best thumbnails on this platform. Now you're probably thinking, why should I listen to a 15K Andy? Heck, the thumbnail for this video isn't even good. And you know what? You shouldn't. That's why this playlist is full of useful advice from some of the biggest creators on the platform, such as Mr. Beast, Ludwig, and the king himself, PewDiePie. This video is just a quick roadmap and a brief summary of the rest of the playlist. The first video on this playlist includes useful advice from Mr. Beast, compiled by Braden Lim. This video is first because if you're pressed for time, this is the most important video to watch. In this video, Braden summarizes 8 useful points for creating great thumbnails, and the video will go into more detail on all of these. The next video by Channel Makers takes data from over 200 Mr. Beast thumbnails to see how he structures his thumbnails. Some of the main takeaways from this video include, you should try and make any text in your thumbnail 4 words or less. The emotion in the thumbnail doesn't really matter that much as long as it makes sense. If you're on the fence, I think you should go with excitement because Tommy Ennett mentioned that emotion works better for him in an interview with the Happy Hour podcast. And 3, thumbnails should convey a single idea. The third video is an interview with Ludwig. The entire interview is
Over 4 hours long.
But all you will need is the content between these 2 timestamps. And Devin Nash was kind enough to put timestamps in his video to help you out. Some key takeaways from Ludwig include preventing important content from disappearing behind that pesky timestamp, when you should include your face in your thumbnail, thumbnail title combo, when and how to include text, and minimize the number of things in your thumbnail. Less is more. Finally, we have a video from the king himself, PewDiePie. While the previous videos have focused more on the concepts behind a good thumbnail, PewDiePie's tutorial focuses more on the nitty-gritty of actually creating a thumbnail. In this tutorial, Felix talks about how to use the pen tool and some neat tricks in After Effects to make your thumbnails stick out. The biggest faces on YouTube have millions of fans ready to consume their content. They make content full-time and they have 1 or more editors to increase their upload schedule. The least we can do is learn from their journeys to make our thumbnails look just as good as theirs. If this video and this playlist helps you out, smash that like button and let me know in the comments. It really helps the channel out. Y'all have a good one.